It's Friday, it's Barkspeed time. Run VT Errol. Hello, it is the 2nd of February and I am at the unit today and we have properly cracked on. Kobo's just left, but I'll be showing you what we've done next. Check this out. Okay, so we've prepped the car and now we're just doing a bit more rubbing down and then it's blue paint time.
German tank.
See where there are any high spots, low spots and spots.
Oh yeah, it looks like some sort of...
Missed a bit, Dave.
Where? Look, I don't want to get it in the car.
Up there, up pillar.
Yeah, it looks like a German...
Yeah, man.
Some sort of German tank.
That's good.
Camouflage.
Right, so after we've done the dusting, we found some imperfections, as you can see there. So we've now got to address that with a hammer. Bring on the hammer.
There's the hammer.
Yeah, go for it.
Right.
Go on, tickle it. Like it was a...
Lovely. Lovely.
Okay, so Friday we got this far, and this is just the first coat, but this is really shiny. I mean, you can see me in it, which is good. Well, which is sort of good, but it just goes to show you that you can spray in here. We did have an issue with it being a bit cold, so there are a couple of runs. We've got a run here. There's another one I've tried to just have a look at here. I need to get some wet and dry because there's a little one there. We need to start rubbing down there. But this in here, this is as shiny as you like. This is I am really chuffed with this. I mean, look, hello, you can see me in there, and there, hello, a bit dull that side, but yeah, oh, I'm blown away. I'm blown away by the paint. I'm absolutely blown away because it is really good, really good. But yeah, so next time we're going to paint the other side and the back, and then once we've got that, we can then get the subframe on the front, get the wheels back on it so it's movable, get the thing out, and then paint the doors, the bonnet, which is over there, and the boot, which is over there, or that boot. Don't know what boot to use yet. They're the old doors. The new doors are, or new to me doors are here. All the bits I've just got to rob off of those to put on those. I'm going to get new locks, obviously. But yeah, still, we had a really good day on Friday. And remember, like and subscribe, Barkspeed. Hopefully, it won't be much longer. But for now, it's a bye from me and a sort of a bye from Kobo. He's not here. But thanks for watching and stay safe, everybody. See you next time. Cheers.